In Singapore, there's no statute of limitations for criminal offences or rape offences. And this means that allegations from many years ago can still be prosecuted much later on. However, proving or disproving old or historical cases can be challenging due to fading memories and the lack of physical evidence. So, what are some of the steps that you can take if you've been falsely accused of rape? False accusations or allegations of rape can have severe consequences for innocent individuals. If you find yourself in such a situation in Singapore, it's important to understand your rights and your legal options. Being falsely accused of rape can be extremely distressing. Our laws impose heavy penalties for rape convictions, including lengthy prison sentences as well as caning. Even if you're innocent, the legal process to prove your innocence can disrupt your life significantly. So, what are some of the steps that you can take if you've been falsely accused of rape? Number 1, engage a criminal lawyer. Immediately seek advice from a criminal lawyer who can guide you through the legal process and help build a strong defense for you. You can also apply for criminal legal aid if you can't afford a lawyer on your own. Number 2, determine the category of the allegation involved. False rape accusations fall into many different categories. Mainly, first, there is no sexual encounter. If you didn't have any sexual interaction with the accuser, gathering evidence to prove your innocence is crucial. Secondly, where there's consensual sex. If you did engage in consensual sex with the accuser, proving the lack of consent will become the focus of your defense. Number 3, gather evidence quickly. If you're innocent and didn't have any sexual interaction with the person accusing you, gather evidence such as an alibi or proof of your whereabouts during this alleged incident. A lack of physical evidence supporting the accusations can work in your favor. For cases involving consensual sex, on the other hand, maintaining consistent and credible testimony becomes important and critical. Documenting details of your interactions with the accuser can also help to strengthen your defense. Number 4, consider a plea bargain or trial. Your lawyer may discuss the possibility of a plea bargain with the prosecution. This could sometimes involve a shorter prison term in exchange for pleading guilty. However, whether or not to ultimately choose to accept this plea bargain will rest with you alone. If you choose, on the other hand, to claim trial, you can challenge the prosecution's case and evidence against you and demand strict proof of the charge against you. In Singapore, there's no statute of limitations for criminal offences or rape offences. And this means that allegations from many years ago can still be prosecuted much later on. However, proving or disproving old or historical cases can be challenging due to fading memories and the lack of physical evidence. What are the consequences of false allegations? If investigations ultimately reveal that the accusations were in fact false, the accuser may face criminal charges for providing false information to the authorities. This could also result in a short prison sentence being imposed. In addition to criminal consequences, you could also take legal action against the accuser for defamation, seeking compensation for damages to your reputation. However, it's advisable to wait until you've been cleared of the criminal charges first before you pursue any other civil action. So remember, given the complexity of the legal issues involved whenever there's a false accusation of rape, it's crucial and important to seek immediate legal advice and assistance from a criminal lawyer. If you found this helpful, follow us on our channels for more legal things.